Go explore Panama. Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Ocean breeze, the stories told. Palm trees sway with every beat.
All right, fam. Welcome to this episode of Go Explore Panama. I'm your host and guide, Big Will. Today we're going to be discussing some important information that you need to know if you're looking to live in Panama. If you've been watching this channel, you already know there are a ton of reasons why people are looking at this beautiful country. We're talking about a lower cost of living off the top. Just imagine fresh, delicious food that doesn't break the bank. Then there's the lifestyle, a more relaxed pace, a vibrant culture, and opportunities for adventure around almost every corner. And let's not forget the climate. Sunshine, tropical breezes, and no more shoveling. Plus, the medical care here is top-notch and affordable. It's a place where you can truly live your best life. But here's some real talk for you. A lot of you are trying to figure this out on your own. You're hitting the internet, spending hours on Google, watching endless YouTube videos. But let's be honest, it's a rabbit hole. It's a rabbit hole. You're finding information that's outdated, conflicting, or just plain wrong. And that can lead to a huge mistake and pain for your wallet. You're getting overwhelmed and frustrated. You're probably asking yourselves, how do I really know what it's like? How do I avoid the pitfalls? Who can I trust? That's where the Boots on the Ground Masterclass Relocation Tour comes in. And this is where we solve those problems, fam. Forget the endless scrolling and the questionable blogs. We're offering you a real, immersive experience. This isn't just a vacation. It's a strategic mission. We're taking you directly to the source, giving you the unvarnished truth, and equipping you with everything you need to make an informed decision about your future in Panama. No more guessing, no more outdated info, just real-time, on-the-ground knowledge from people who live and breathe Panama. So, how do we solve these problems? We provide you with a comprehensive, hands-on experience. We introduce you to local experts, real estate agents, immigration lawyers, healthcare providers, and community leaders. You'll get to see different neighborhoods, understand the cost of living firsthand, explore the healthcare options, and even sample the local cuisine. You'll learn about the visa process, banking, setting up utilities, and truly integrating into the Panamanian way of life. We cover the logistics, the culture, and the practicalities. We're talking about giving you the confidence and clarity you need to make your move seamless. So let's dive into what our Boots on the Ground Masterclass Relocation Tour looks like. We've crafted an itinerary that's designed to give you the most comprehensive overview possible. Day number 1, you arrive in Panama City and the welcome. We'll pick you up from the airport, get you settled into your accommodations, and then we'll have a welcome dinner where you can meet your fellow explorers and get a true taste of Panamanian hospitality. We'll cover the itinerary in detail and answer any initial questions that you might have. Day number 2, it's a Panama City deep dive. This day we dive deep into the heart of Panama's history and culture, starting with a visit to one of the world's greatest engineering marvels, the Panama Canal. We'll take you to the Miraflores Visitor Center to witness massive cargo ships traversing the locks and learn about the canal's construction and global impact through its museum and viewing platforms. In the afternoon, we'll travel back in time with a guided walking tour, Casco Viejo, the old quarter, in the heart of the action here. You'll stroll through charming cobblestone streets, admire colonial architecture, and learn the stories behind the historic plazas and cathedrals that make this neighborhood so unique. The day will be an immersive blend of modern marvels and living history. Day 3 is the expert panel. Y'all, this is the cornerstone of your journey. In a full day of private working sessions at the hotel, you'll meet with our carefully selected panel of relocation experts. This is a unique opportunity to get personalized advice and answers to your most pressing questions about moving to Panama. You'll sit down with an immigration attorney, an English-speaking doctor, a healthcare insurance expert, and a real estate professional. A representative from the Veterans Administration will also be on hand discussing accessing veterans benefits locally. This session is designed to provide you with a comprehensive roadmap for a smooth and confident move. Day 4, Panama City Lifestyle and Exploration. This day is dedicated to experiencing the day-to-day life of a local. We embark on a comprehensive neighborhood tour, showcasing the distinct vibes and real estate options in areas like the bohemian El Congrejo and the modern Financial District. We'll also get a feel for the cost of living with a visit to a local supermarket, such as the popular Reba Smith, and a bustling farmer's market. To help you navigate the city like a local, you'll also learn how to use the metro system with a short ride and a hands-on tutorial. This is the day where you get to see what living here is like. Day 5 is our Pacific Coast exploration. We're going to head out of the city to explore the Pacific Coast. We'll visit popular expat communities and understand the lifestyle outside of Panama City. And we'll help you take a look at different property types, from beachfront condos to mountain retreats up in El Valle. You'll get a sense of the diverse landscape Panama offers, and we'll also journey to the cooler highlands, exploring areas known for their stunning natural beauty and popular retirement communities. We'll discuss the pros and cons of highland living and the cost of living in these areas and the community dynamics. Day 6 is the Caribbean Coast and Colón Day, where you'll experience Panama's Caribbean side with a scenic trip to the Colón province. This excursion will take you to the historic town of Portobello, a former Spanish treasure port and home to the Black Christ. You'll explore the ruins of colonial forts that once defended the bay from pirates and learn about the region's rich Afro-Caribbean heritage. We'll even cruise the gorgeous Costa Riba to see beautiful islands and pristine beaches. We'll stop for lunch and have beach time at a resort on Isla Grande. Y'all, this day offers a perfect contrast to the Pacific and a deeper appreciation for Panama's diverse history and geography. Day 7 is Farewell and Departure. Your final day in Panama is designed for both relaxation and celebration. The morning is yours to enjoy at your leisure. You can take this time to revisit a favorite neighborhood, shop for souvenirs, or simply relax by the pool at the Sortis Hotel. In the evening, we gather for the grand finale, a private catamaran bay cruise dinner in white. As we sail across the bay, you'll witness the spectacular Panama City skyline at night from the water, enjoying an open bar and a delicious dinner, and some really good dancing music. This farewell event is the perfect way to celebrate your week of discovery and connections with your fellow explorers before you travel home. Now let's talk about those all-important 2026 tour dates. There's only 4 tours, y'all. Mark these down, fam, because spots are limited. Tour number 1, May 11th through May 17th. Number 2, July 19th through the 26th. Number 3, September 13th through the 20th. And number 4, November 29th through December 6th. Y'all, these tours have been meticulously planned to ensure you get the most out of your experience. We'll keep the groups intimate so everyone gets personalized attention and all their questions answered. Only 14 spots per tour. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, if you're ready to get real, unfiltered truth about moving to Panama, then this is your sign. Don't let outdated information or endless do-it-yourself research hold you back any longer. Here's what you need to do right now. Scan the QR code on your screen. That's going to take you directly to more information and booking for the Boots on the Ground Masterclass Relocation Tour. And because you're part of the Big Will family, I've got a special treat for you. Use the promo code BTG Masterclass 2026 when you book your tour, and you'll get 10% off. But listen up, fam. This code is only good for the next 30 days from when this video is released. So don't sleep on this. Stop guessing, start living. Join us on the Boots on the Ground Masterclass Relocation Tour, and let's make your Panama dream a reality. I'll see you there. Ciao.
Go explore Panama. Sunrise paints the sky in